Hello, and welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. Today we're going to ask the all-important question of, what is it that I've bought this time?
What's in the box?
We've got a couple different boxes to open today, a few different sizes. So let's check out what we've got in store. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's what we got today. Let's find out what's inside the box. Now, if you know me, I like to save the biggest for last, so let's start with something small. This person is a professional. Very nicely packed. So this one is another one of a theme I've been dealing with of bottoms only. It's just always looking for a top. Oh, kitty time. This is Cereza. You want to say hi? Don't you show your little butthole. Don't you show your butthole. Anyway, Cereza June is my baby cat, and I love her so much. So, back to the program. Let's find out what we got. Cereza says, I'm the star. Yeah, so this is like a bottom dish. It has a pattern of flowers and ivy. It's really nice. I could not identify it at all. Hi. Hi. Oh, you love your daddy. You love your daddy. Yeah, you say daddy's doing something, so I gotta interrupt him. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, do you see what I have to work with here? All right. Next box. Are you going to help open? You better watch out, because I'm not trying to cut you. And I have really horrible scissor etiquette. Or so says future YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, Cereza. Love it. I think I know which one this is. Ooh, look at this. Great job. And I also use a green bubble wrap. You know, I wonder if one day somebody who sold me one of these pieces is going to watch one of these. And if you do, I'll say to you, thank you. All right. So this was 2 items, also packed incredibly well. This is a great seller. I won't leave you in suspense. The other one is the exact same. Wow. Almost no damage. Oh, there we go. So this is the rose garland pattern. For a long time, it was unknown who even made this. It's an early American pattern glass piece, and it was made by National Glass Company. It is an incredibly rare pattern, and I am fortunate enough to already have a piece, so I now have 3 pieces from this pattern. One of these I'll most likely sell. I'm interested to see what it can really go for now. It was historically a piece that you could get quite a bit of money for. So I'd be quite interested to find out what it's up to now. So yeah, I got these for a steal. And thank you. What's next? I'm conflicted if I want to open this one yet. I know what's inside, and I'm so excited for it. This box is complete overkill for what's inside, but I'm thankful because it is very rare. It was not cheap. The seller had some information about it that they thought was correct, but here in this little glass studio, got a lot of research books, and I found out what this was. Ooh, got some French newspaper. Oh, wow. That is how you send something internationally. this is something that is a really popular piece. A lot of collectors have these. But don't think quite a few collectors have one as old as this. This is an original Hanoness dish. It was made by Bayel Cristallerie in France about 130 years ago. Just one box left to go. I saved the biggest one for last. Let's find out what's in this box. Save the drinks. Packing peanuts. We're going to have to do this delicately. This one has packing peanuts in it. Just a moment, please.
Many hours later.
Back of my set. Must look a mess after these.
Two hours later.
A lot of layers. But I'm starting to see it. Wow. This is the master berry bowl for the Beaumont pattern called Flora or Admiral. And I had a previous video that we opened up the other pieces of this set. So I now have 5. This is my 5th piece. The way that it has these beautiful carved lines on the side, I just love it. I really hope I can find more pieces in this pattern. Well, here's the haul for today. What do you think? Which one is your favorite piece? Tell me about it in the comments. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, you better subscribe. We'll go ahead and get these into the blacklight box and we'll give you a closer look. Well, that's all we've got today. I hope you enjoyed what we found inside the box. I'm Paul from Glass in the Dark. Until next time, happy hunting.